Rehabilitation services in Guyana began over 70 years ago in a small room under the X-ray department at the Georgetown Public Hospital. At that time, the only service that was provided was physiotherapy, and it was only available in Georgetown. Today, rehabilitation services are available in all 10 regions across Guyana and includes audiology, the provision of prosthetics, and skills training for persons with disabilities. Against this backdrop, as Guyana celebrates Rehab Week 2021 under the theme Rehabilitation in the Frontline during the COVID-19 pandemic, Director of Disability and Rehabilitation Services Dr. Ariane Mangar, in an interview with Nightly News on Tuesday, announced that persons will soon see a further expansion in rehabilitation services countrywide.
We're estimating that we'll open another 2 departments at Festival City Clinic and Supply Health Center. So with that, we'll need more therapists to go out and serve in these areas. In Letem, we're looking to open a new service at Karasabay. We're going to have a therapist move to Essequibo, where she'll be based at Charity. And for the first time, Charity will have a professional therapist working there. And that will free up a rehab assistant now to provide full-time rehab services at the Regina Clinic.
At present, there are 9 persons being trained to become audiological practitioners.
When they come out in another few months, they'll be placed in the various regions. So for the first time, Region 8 will have an audiological practitioner.
Like all other services within the healthcare system, Dr. Mangar noted that rehabilitation was not exempted from the negative impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. According to her, those working in rehabilitation have been the front runners in the recovery process of COVID-19 patients.
They would help them to regain, function and breathing and so forth in the COVID hospital. And then after they would have recovered and come out of the hospital, the physiotherapists also work with post-COVID patients.
In this regard, over 1,800 COVID-19 positive patients were able to significantly benefit in 2020, Dr. Mangar said. As such, the week will be used to highlight the important role rehabilitation services continue to play amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Rehab Week 2021 was officially launched on Sunday at Booklands Garden, Wolford Avenue, during which the Director General of the Ministry of Health, Dr. Vishwa Mahadio, urged rehab staff to continue expanding their services so that more Guyanese could benefit. A symposium which saw the participation of 100 rehabilitation staffers from across the country was held on Monday and Tuesday. A leadership workshop for young therapists is built for Wednesday. For the HGP Nightly News, Kendell Richmond.